Now, when you use the Smart Mic Plus app, there are a ton of settings to really hone in on the sound of this microphone, and it sounds way better when you're not using it with Zoom. So if you're not in love with the sound quality that you're hearing right now with this microphone, I'm blaming it on Zoom. Now, to prove my point about the audio in Zoom, I actually decided to embed a clip directly from my iPhone. So right now I have the Smart Mic Plus on me in the same place that I did while using Zoom, but you can hear that it has a better sound quality and tone to it. I just find the sound profile within Zoom highly compressed and it doesn't sound great. So I do want to reiterate that this mic does sound a lot better than what you're actually hearing throughout this particular tutorial, simply because Zoom doesn't have a great audio platform. So did that one push help? So just give me again some thumbs up, some hearts. Hopefully this fixed the problem. What you did now worked. It's all good now. Awesome. I'm curious how many different levels there are with this. So how many times I could hit this button and how quiet it gets. Thank you so much for everyone tuning in. This is so helpful to me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this button one more time and tell me if it's a lot lower, a little lower, way too low. Okay, so I'm going to hit it again. Okay, I just hit the button. That over. So now let's record a little bit. This is being picked up directly from my laptop. I actually haven't used my laptop microphone for anything ever, so I actually don't even know what this is going to sound like, so I'll find out during the playback, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be as good as having a direct input from a microphone.